on, fish on. Yeah, little guy. Yeah. Huh? This side. This side? Right here? Yeah. Alright guys, fishing at Grenlock Lake today in New Jersey, and I just caught this half a pounder on the Sweet Beaver right here. I'm going for a 7-pounder to see if I can make it happen. Bite, here's one. Fish on. Yep, first cast. That's what I'm talking about. Nice pounder. I told you there's fish here. Yeah, careful, dude. Alright guys, we've been at Grenlock Lake for like an hour and a half, haven't had much bites. We just decided to fish this cover over here, just connected with this pounder. So let's see if there's any bigger ones around. Worth a shot. Oh shit! Nice. Did you say you used to play football? Nice, that's powering through that shit, I like that. You don't need to finesse that, you go right through it. Alright, what is that? What is it? It's not bass. Is that a bass? Nice, alright, Leo's got his first fish. Good job, Leo. We'll wait for him. No, we can go. Alright, there you go. Nice. Mike's got a fish over here. Nice, Mike. Got him on. Got one. Yeah. Bluegill nailed my spinner. Yeah. First fish caught at Blackwood for me. First fish caught at this lake. Nice pretty bluegill. Got him spinner. Alright guys, I'm here at Blackwood Lake right now. Fishing this creek area. I didn't catch any bass from Blackwood, but I caught a couple sunfish on a spinner. And when I was at Grenlock earlier, I caught 2 bass. Both of them were caught close to brush or weeds. And I caught one, and the other one was caught on jig. Yeah, the fishing was tough today. It was the first time for me fishing both of those places. I couldn't figure out a pattern. My buddy Vince here caught one at Blackwood Lake, and Leo over there caught some, has been catching some small bass using a tiny Senko. That's it for today. I'll be hitting the Schuylkill again probably Tuesday night or something. All right, stay tuned. Oh, you got one? Did you have one? Oh, nice. What's his name? Alright guys, we got Joe and Chris here, and Joe's hooked into the first fish since I've been here. Here it. Yeah, striper. Striper. Yeah. It looks like 8. Whoa, shit, Chris. 18 inches. Oh, dude, yeah, it's like a 24-incher, damn. You got that, Chris? Nice fish. Dude, that's a nice one. Hey Chris, can you need these? Got them? Hybrid, yeah. Man, nice one. You get up there, one-handed? Careful, dude. Nice fish, dude. I want to see the measurement from this guy. Nice fish. What you guys measuring weight? Oh, picture, nice. here we go. Dude, that's nice. I'm saying that's I think that's a 5-pounder. No, let me see. Yeah, 5-pounder, I'd say. You right there, Chris? Shaking a little.
Yeah, I'm telling you, I'm scared.
With that 25 inches? 24? Hey, want to use a scale? Yeah, I got it 10 years ago. Let's see, is it working right now? What's that?
5'2". He was 5'2".
5?
No, he's
All right,
4'12".
all right, about 5-pound fish Joe's caught. Where'd you catch it on, Joe? Bomber? Nice. You called it, Chris. You just hold that thing up. Nice fish.
How about to the wet? Got 5 pounds. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Put it sideways. Under. Put the belly
Do you know how to use those? You know how to get them off? Yeah, exactly. Are you putting, you going all the way back down? Alright. Nice catch, man. Is that first fish today?
First fish today, yeah.
Alright, what time did you guys get out here?
Like noon.
Noon, alright. We're paid off after that fish.
Yeah.
Nice.